Alrighty, and here we are with the second day of development for the new project, Rasdan Tactics. And today I am proud to announce that I have more or less finished the backend tool, the Class Master. As we see from yesterday, the size has effectively doubled, and there's more content here. I'll talk about what I've done real quickly. So over here to the left is the class portion of it that talks about just the general details that belong to each class. You also have some new options here. In addition to adding classes, you can also load classes and update classes. I also made this little button right here. It was a surprisingly easy process, relatively fast too. But what it does is it reads through all of these existing classes files and parses them out and puts them into the database. And it does that in just a few seconds. I was actually quite surprised because maybe I'm just too used to Python at this point. Either way, speed is great. So, how this works is like, for example, type in the name, hit load, and then it petitions the database, makes a connection, and here we are. Brings out all the data, updates the fields, and then from here you can actually modify it. So, like, this is a pre-modification mobile and adaptable, and then we just hit update class. These glow for some reason, but this is updated. We can actually check its update inside of the database later on. So over here, we also have abilities section, and it doesn't immediately link up just yet, but what we have here is the ability to add in ability data. So you give the name of the ability, let's say Super Punch, just spitballing ideas. You can choose its category, basic, doctrine, or master, write in the effects of how it works, set some flavor text, and then you save it, or if it already exists, if the name already exists in the system for the class, you can update it and it'll modify that. There's also some rules, some internal data to keep it from making too many of one type of ability, and that's just because inside the system itself you can't have more than like 9 basic abilities, one doctrine ability, and 3 master abilities. So that's how I've gotten. I didn't get as much work as I wanted to, just because it was kind of a busy day with other things that called my attention. And this does need some refactoring inside. I want to turn a lot of this into reusable methods because a lot of the stuff here has been copy pasted and not even slightly altered. So um, we do want to stick to dry principles. Overall, I'm happy with this performance, and once this is fully equipped, I'll go ahead and start working on the front end, and then also the server as well. Right. Well, thank you for your time, and I'll see you all tomorrow.